Hey people, so this is one of these videos you do because basically it's I have these two little kittens, and today this one opened her eyes. As you can see, today is the first day she's opened her eyes, and once they start mewing, it's a bit of a problem. But then I have to I'll call up my son Ayush. He likes to see these. I'm making this video for him basically, but also I'll post it on the channel. I don't know, these are they are hungry souls, but then they try to find some spot. No, see? So that's what, this is rather inconvenient, this video, but I feel I should make it. This black one has not yet opened its eyes, but it's adorable, right? And keeping a pet is relaxing like nothing else. So truly people, this feels so good. So that's what, it's almost a 1 minute video. It is a 1 minute video. So on that note, and now they are scratching me, but on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.